Hey, welcome to Lesson 26. Today, we are building a real command line tool from scratch in ZSH. By the end, you will have a working to-do app. Let us dive in. CLI tools need to handle arguments. That is where getopts comes in. It defines flags like -v or -n with a value. A colon after a letter means that flag takes an argument. A usage function shows how your tool works when users ask for help. Exit codes matter. 0 means success, 1 means error. All right, let us set up our demo environment first. Now we will create the Foundations script step by step. First up, the usage function. This is what people see when they ask for help. Notice how we list every flag and what it does. Good documentation matters. Here is the getopts loop. It checks each flag one at a time. The colon after n means -n needs a value, like a name. After parsing, Shift removes the flags so we can access the real arguments. This check makes sure the user actually gave us a file to work with. Errors go to standard error, not standard output. Best practice. And finally, we use the parsed values. Clean and straightforward. Let us review the full script now. Nice. Now let us run it and see the help output. With flags, it greets by name and processes the file. Without required args, it exits with error code 1. Now let us make our tools look professional. ANSI escape codes add color. Green for success, red for errors. Wrap them in helper functions, so you just call success or error. Spinners and progress bars show feedback during long operations. And interactive prompts let users confirm before doing something dangerous. Let us set up and jump right into the Polish script. We will create color helpers, a spinner, and a progress bar. These 4 functions wrap ANSI codes. Much cleaner than typing escape sequences everywhere. Now we call them green check for success, red X for errors, yellow for warnings. Users can instantly scan the output and see what needs attention. Here is the spinner. The secret is \R, which moves the cursor back to the start. It cycles through pipe, slash, dash, \. Simple but effective. Now the progress bar. It calculates how many hash marks to show based on percentage. The printf formatting keeps everything aligned as the bar fills up. For interactive prompts, read with a question mark prefix asks the user directly. Let us review the complete script. And there it is. Colors, spinners, and progress bars all working together. These small touches make a huge difference in how professional your tool feels. Now we put it all together and build a complete to-do CLI. Subcommands like add, list, and done route through a case statement. Each subcommand gets its own function, keeping things organized. For storage, a plain text file with one line per task and brackets for status. It is surprisingly powerful for how little code it takes. Let us set up and create our to-do app. This is the one that ties everything together. We set up the file path and define our color codes at the top. The add command is simple. Just append a new line with empty brackets to the file. List is the fun one. It reads each line and colors it based on whether it is done, green for completed tasks, yellow for pending. Much easier to scan than plain text. At the bottom, we count how many are done and how many are still pending. The done command uses sed to replace the space with an X in the brackets. Remove is even simpler. Sed deletes that line number entirely. And here is the case statement. It routes the first argument to the right function. The default case shows usage, so people know what commands are available. Let us review the full script now. Running it, we can list tasks, add new ones, and mark them as done. We can also remove tasks. The list updates instantly. A fully functional CLI app with colors and everything in under 50 lines. All right, let us recap what we learned in Lesson 26. Getopts gives you professional argument parsing. ANSI colors and spinners make output easy to scan. Case routing with functions keeps CLI code clean. And plain text files are great lightweight storage. Next up, we tackle automation scripts. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please give it a like. Subscribe and hit the bell so you do not miss the next lesson. See you in the next one.